Namaste. Hope you're doing well. Today we will solve the eighth question of ISI MSTAT 2023 PSA. It seems to be a geometry-based question. It's asking about concurrency. Which values of A would ensure that this setup of three lines are concurrent? So the prerequisite is going to be a basic understanding of concurrency and, spoiler alert, the basic understanding of determinants. So let's get to it. First, we have to connect some dots. First question being, what are concurrent lines? So, like, how do I perceive them? What do they actually do? So, when say lines are somewhat like this, as in they seem to emerge from a common point, their intersection is a point, then they are said to be concurrent. So, what we can say that is concurrent lines form a triangle with no area, because if you see three lines somewhat like this, which form a triangle, it has some area. But if you imagine this line, this one, if it moves in this direction, then the triangle would shrink and shrink and shrink up till the point when there is no triangle. So that's it. And how do we get this triangle area thing? The determinant helps us with that. So this determinant, which is formed from the coefficients of x's like this, the first column, then y coefficients and the constants, second and third column. Notice I did some rearranging where I took this line first over here and then this line over here. Doesn't matter. So this would give us the area of the triangle. Normally we would have to compute the part where equate it to 0 and compute the value of A for which it's 0. But we don't even need to know how to go into all of that, because we see that these two columns are multiples of each other. And if there's one thing that you should know about determinants is that they become 0 when the rows and columns are multiples of each other. And that's it. There are infinite values of A which can give this 0 simply because A does not play any role. And because infinite values are more than 2, so this is the answer. And some ways to build your base is that if a variable is not playing any role in whatever mathematical system you are considering it in, then that variable is free to take up any number of values, or we can say infinite number of values. And if you like this, then take some time, sit down and think 3 good lines of thought, 3 good ideas. You don't have to act on them, just think about it. And take care. Hare Krishna.